Right, travelers, today we're doing a quick kind of hands-on here of this new bag from Bagsmart. This is the Dense 24, as you can see there. Now, as the name suggests, this is a 24-liter backpack. It has a really nice build quality and feel, and it also comes in at just under 2 pounds at 0.9 kilograms, which is really great for a travel backpack, or also, like a laptop bag, because as we will see a bit later, it does have those compartments. Now, I will also be having a look at this one here, which is the Bagsmart Dense dopp kit as well. Now, this is also a really great sort of dopp kit for traveling, and I'll walk through that a little bit more as well and show you some of the features just after we go through the bag. So now this bag has a really nice sort of water resistant smooth finish on the front, which is a little bit padded as well. You do have 2 areas to clip on a carabiner, as I have here. Inside here you'll see that there is 2 mesh pockets, and further down there is a key clip and also a zippered compartment here. And this key clip also has a quick release like so, which is quite handy. Now, when you zip that up, it is kind of a hidden pocket because, as you can see, it doesn't immediately look like there is anything there. So for the water bottle pocket lovers, there is 2 stretchy mesh water bottle pockets on either side. On the bottom you have a nice durable nylon finish. And around the back you do have these very comfortable padded straps, and there's also a grab handle in the middle with the Bagsmart logo on it. Now, this is pretty comfortable. I did actually use this for a video shoot that I did a couple of weeks ago. You can see there's also an area here and here, and the sternum strap is also a quick release, as you can see here. Now, as we mentioned, that front pocket there, once you get into the main compartment, there is a grab handle on the top here, but once you zip down into this main compartment, it does open fully, which is always nice. So taking a look on the inner side here, you do get this zippered pocket just there, and inside you have the main compartment, which is actually quite spacious and really good for one bag travel. This actually might be a contender for me. You also do get this mesh compartment here, where you can put documents. It's very stretchy. This is the inner pocket, which is on the top here. There's a little stash pocket, and as you can see, that is actually velour or felt lined, so really good for sunglasses or your phone. And that is it for that main compartment. I really love simple main compartments. Now, if we zip into this back pocket here, you'll see this is the kind of tech or laptop pocket. Let me just close that one up. So at the top of this pocket, it's a bit hard to see that there is a zippered pocket again. Once you unzip that, there is a little bit of space here, which is kind of padded on this side and on this side very lightly. So you could put like a lot of charging cables or, passport and stuff like that in this pocket. And a little further down, you do have this divider here, so you could put like a tablet here, and then on this side you do have the nice smooth laptop area, and this is kind of like a folding soft one, like a divider, sorry. It has Velcro on this side, so you can actually Velcro that down like that. The Velcro kind of sticks to the bottom. So I think what the idea is when you put your laptop in here, you fold this part over, and that protects the laptop inside this sort of velcroed pocket like so. So the back is padded, and then the front is padded, so you're basically padded from all sides. So that is it there. A quick look at the Dense 24. I do think this is a very comfortable backpack and a nice 24 liters with nice pockets and stuff. So along with this one, they did also, so this is the Dense dopp kit, and it is 2.5 liter capacity, 0.3 or 300 grams or 0.6 pounds. So it's quite a nice capacity and size for a dopp kit, and it has these nice carry handles, which I always appreciate on little bags like this, because if you do pack them in your main bag, and this is full like this, for example, you can also see the size really fits well. But say you have it in your main bag like this and you want to just quickly grab it out, you can just grab the handle and pull it straight out. especially in terms of when you're at the airport, you might just want to quickly open it up and grab that out for a security check, for example. As you can see, this does have a nice mix of materials. This front section is the same smooth material as the backpack. There is also another handle here, so I think that makes it easy to grab from both sides. Or you could also put that on some kind of carabiner clip to hold it. It does also have these little areas on the bottom where you could clip things onto. I'm not exactly sure what those ones are for, but if you do know, let me know in the comments. There's also another one here, which I think that has something to do with in the main compartment. You do have this nice hanging hook, which folds away there into this little secret compartment. But that may have something to do with that, or, depending on where you're hooking it, for example. Now, the other cool thing about this is this clear padded area is actually removable with the little push buttons there, as you can see. So often when you pass through security at some airports, they want you to put your liquids in a clear pouch like this, and then screen those separately. So I believe that is what this is trying to solve. And then once you've finished the security screen, you can just pop that back on there and it remains inside, which I think is really cool and a really nice, thoughtful design there. So if we just tuck this hook behind there for the moment, you can see there's also another sort of pocket here, and this one's also made of the same water resistant material as this one. So anything you put in here, you can be sure that the water won't leak through into the main compartment. So it might be a good area to put toothbrushes or toothpaste. This side you do have a couple of elastic bands, which could be good to store containers or other items. And then on this inner side here, you do have a zippered compartment. And on this side here, there's nothing else, just those push buttons. So that is it for the main compartment there. But if we take a look in this side pocket, you can see I have the tag in there, but that is also lined with a shiny material of the other detachable bag. So I believe this is like a waterproof or water resistant material. So anything that you put in here that may possibly leak is likely to not leak through to the main areas, which is quite a nice touch. So that's it there, a quick look at the Dense dopp kit. Really nice, especially along with the Dense range. As you can see, the width fits perfectly into this bag. So if I had my usual packing clothing cube in here, and then I could put this on top as the final pack out. Overall, I definitely do recommend this. Check it out with the links in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for the next one.